So I was telling you about the emulsions. There are certain methods of the preparation of emulsions. The two liquids are shaped very vigorously and the formation of emulsions takes place. To stabilize these two liquids, a substance which is known by the name of emulsifying agent or emulsifier is added. For example, vanishing cream, cold cream, all these are the example of emulsions. There are two type of emulsions, oil in water, water in oil. If the oil is dispersed phase and water is dispersion medium, that is known by the name of oil in water emulsion. If the water is in dispersed phase and the oil is in dispersion medium, then it is known by the name water in oil emulsion. Emulsion is having properties like Tyndall effect, electrophoresis, etc. And emulsions can be used for the different purpose, and that is very useful. We are using in our daily life emulsions. The emulsions can be tested whether it is a oil in water or water in oil. If dye is added and the whole background becomes colored, then this is oil in water type emulsion. And if the only small quantity of the substance becomes colored, then it is only water in oil type of emulsion. Now there are large number of application of colloids. The colloids are used in medicines. There is a colloid that is known by the name of argyrol. It is a eye lotion. It is a silver soap. Similarly, the colloidal antimony is used for curing kala jar. Colloidal gold is used in intramuscular injections. Milk of magnesia is used in the case of acidity. The colloidal medicines are more effective because they are having more surface area. They can be assimilated very easily. Fog, mist, rain formation, artificial rain formation, food articles like halwa, pudding, etc. all are colloidal in nature. The formation of delta from river water. River water contain clay, sea water contain electrolyte. They combine together to form delta. Then the blue color of sky is due to the scattering of square light. The blood is colloidal in nature. Similarly, by using alum, the purification of water can be done. All the suspended particles that become sway only heavier and the water is purified. Similarly, there is a precipitator known by the name of Cortell smoke precipitator. It contains chimneys with that of a very high charges. When any colloid is passed, it is either negatively charged or positively charged. These all the substances which are present in smoke that gets populated, that falls, and the substance can be purified. In photography, a layer of gelatin is only applied on that of a film tray. Similarly, for hardening of leather, the colloids are used. You go through this chapter, you are having your unit test. If there is any problem, let me know. I am sending one numerical assignment also. Please solve that so that you are able to do in the unit test.